Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create account on Shein app. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to create account on Shein app. Maybe because you are a fan of purchasing like shopping, so you want to purchase from Shein because you have heard a lot about this app, that on this app you get a lot of discounts and amazing prices and promotions, so you want to give it a try. Or there could be any other reason for you to create your account on Shein app. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that we have already installed the Shein app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, you just have to simply tap on its icon to open the Shein app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. Generally, it will look like you